Okay, FM 101.7.
Yeah, radio couple say your boy joy. Now, no, I feel back with 2012, no, we independent candidate, presidential candidate. I feel so, okay, running with 2020 elections. Your name, Papa Jacob, or say your boy, aka Joy, and to train and come on. Opening, me watching back, okay, from so.
Major so.
Na meton kapa na bokode
oba dia dom ani mo pa enti na de bia metimone na mo ka DPC nse na me so na meti program na na fodo ho no
ana na fodo me classmate ni eyo akwai de say Grace Ban ye wawu de na mo ma ton bibifuro no wo fa say na ko soja fo fie wo no
soja fo fie e fie o fie soja fo fie no ba ko na dantam abronsa na wo ho no
ayi alaji fie no na usane akase usane kakra bi no
yes
okay mesmo fa ni boya ya da na chi ni eton wi no
eu acabamos esse já você sua nia senia me cosi
yeah miwa maba wo a eja ye de krofrom de suku ani ani ma ye division ene o se nkutu bi na Wesley College wo se yi na suku nketu mu wa ha na bantom block B enso so wa ase na English ni mu na mu ho no ade ade dia ba wa achimotai papa yeso do anu atom bi what can I say?
Kwame, history repeats itself. So, 2012, March 14, Ghanaian Times, Satanana, former President Mahama, no a vice president. And the director said, because of Article 21T, I will say, yeah, allow now in all the public schools, you know, and conforming manifesting on religion. In fact, the debate is
State of the Nation address. I remember. And you know,
it is very dark in your bag and your time. And the make sure a woman book more about religion, government and nation building. Oh, Nasia, some answer we buy na Kwame Mekase. On my dear, what do you need Emma religion? Instead of say what do you need a citizen. Nasa on mine, ayo my dear. If you are saying that when anymore, only the answer or Konechi. Na sadie so aya na ignorant ana disanya mane bakwame se menewo kase miti be do na me die ni die bi ma won so ye Ghana ni enye se bi so ye Kristo ni anya ye muslimi ni na ye rastafari na so ye die anu ti da me die ni die aya de ema na oman na kasan no e won the culture I want to it is a freedom to mature. Let the crime they come out. The late Professor Mills. It mature when we say it's also you see freedom of religion, and we should allow everybody to manifest his religion. And it's coming. Say my sorry, na me see Muslimi for omo them. I'm sorry them omo bonfire. You see freedom of religion and manifesting tea. Will it be acceptable? It was there's a limit. The same thing a Muslim is so Emma sorry them. Emma me haram or sorry them. And can say yes, there's a freedom of religion. Rastafarian sorry them. No, there's a freedom of religion and manifesting that religion. It will be just sorry them. No one will weep because anything. She has a freedom now. There's always a place specific And it is freedom we say now, yeah, banning this Rastafarian idea we said because of religion. Now, the money you're gonna say, religion, that's a traditional religion, you far, you buno, basa. So, a conforce so, a bed in the dread rocks, not the ababe, sorry, them, and that's a school, no, you better say, again, funny. So, you say, you not say, you idea, religion is also man made. Idea, you no, all religion, there be no free say, a Muslim, and I say Christianity, and I say Islam. Religion is man made. Make me as starting me religion. Now me the rituals be a bomb. Rituals now me the bomb. Be ni Rastafarian na almost say omugu you know. Also mujai dread rocks. Be ni Muslim also muye hadith. Be ni Christian ya wa so or cartons. And this and maybe obi also chile behind. Rituals and they are man made and they are diverse. Religiosity, is different from spirituality. And it is Rastafarian. So we say Rastafarian. That's a achimota. Omwa ankasa with rules and regulations. Not as we say wokonoma. Wokonoma that rules and regulation na mawoye Ghana ni na ye ditum ewo school mo. And then I was okoye. I don't see the reason why you go school more. Now you say Habib, no Muslim Habib, and I say me Rastafarian. Na a church me Rastafarian, and I'm a Christian near school more. Oh, school more no. Oh, kwako sinyadie. It is the rules of the school no should be applied. Pami. Ya nyesa babwa. Emwaye. So shakra. Mami kansi pain. Say the religion na yeah. I can need a Christian for Ghana. Yes, sir, Islamin. Any Christosum, a suma nyame ekurum, and then a nyame so additional or Maya, and Kayan Kotana and Kobobusia. Chinese informing you Christoform Muslimi. In fact, corruption a cost war memoir a Christophone a Muslimi for. Misha na ya Tizongo, and ye did a need Islam and ye huno, and you've been young to set me a Christianity a degenerating. Your corners your bobo was in park na ye bar. Your banners you wish more bumpire, no, your papa be a friend papa bumbo. That's a Muslim kind ye did you obey doing of friend now, sure but she or free, sure but she because of that in your banner you did your who's more bumpire near your gene near chum. That was the coexistence. Any or dry near your tre it was zongo. Now some ye buy a Muslim Habib, me say, na me call ya Santua early. Na no defense or bow defense, mama ni break ya. I was a mitrano. Na the friend Mamuna. Na or more Habib, as you know to me defense. That distinction is our religiosity na the bomb mama and moyen. Name Muslimi for any Christian for or more Ghana. Almost says that religion will translate into the process Bema development. And it's in the book, Professor Biasa Mokas, I say religion is a process of ultimate transformation. And then Yamaya na religion Fourth Republic, na President Rollins Waho, na Aka no any Christian, as I know you have a Krishna or so. And so I have Baba Rollins and Yatamas, a Christian for me, and Baba President Rollins. President Kofo and the late Vice President Onusuye Muslimi. And sana Ebabasa Ababisi Nanado and they will say so. As a corruption and what is the impact of Islam and Christianity on our governance system? If we say that should be the topic any idea here. They don't know Christianity and Islam. Bosnia or China. What is the God? What is the Abrahamic God? The spirituality now was yes, need to be the poor mind. Let that process of transformation be transformed. Now you transform you develop your mind. You drown that ritualistic in the Christians and Muslims in this country. Yadi ni issue say and no na ye fanye when you know in here coming. I didn't hear any say a bit me de and need ye a de amaya home. Now your religion, I say a Christian for another Muslimino. A bit me, ama a fear a child who is Siano. That religion, no, a bit my boy makes me a fino. Corruption now, a child who is Siano. That religion, no, a credit moral conduct, no, a bit my boy, and yes, we should stop that. There's freedom of religion, but in your baby, a bit my day. I'm manifesting. It is a mechanical as at that time, no, and I'm a data Professor Merson. Say, obeying a religion at the same school. That's a we call that school now. Would you also respect it? I will respect Islamic school. Almost the Islam, not the Bidit is Ahmadiyya. Some you Christian in a commission may call Ahmadiyya, or some you do Muse, may call Ahmadiyya, they are Mekwa, and I can so almost say a do time a friend, or semi friend. Semi fish, me pedia, me copy school, not a missing Christian, me call baby, me fish, Christian. That is how religion should transform us. Now, your religion, what we see school, what we see, also religion, yes, freedom of religion. It is by piano, open your religion, name Christianity, and I can now want a free education. Abano, I was like a government. I did all the missionary schools, no, offer more. That's I'm a dear for a normal school with the Islamic religion, no, normally positive influence. Almost fine. Who is on to for a bank called Ahmadiyya Unifro. So all the missionary schools are work Ghana. That's what you mean because it's a free education. Like a banning free education, and like a year Bezria, my father said boarding school, or be a boarding school, be about 1,000. It will be a wood day. That's about 300. The difference of 700, if a mass Nipano coding, not also from Froka and Code. Now you need equity in the system. Now you need from missionary schools in Momo, no more fa omo religious moral code, no, Emma, your governance system, no, ye, and yes, Emma. Rastafari and a walk school no agile, Achimoto Wajo. One can say, photo, near Rastafari and Chief, what discriminate you, Wajo. The what you will know, what is so open to be shared there were winning rules. That's a Yanni sign, that's a me religion, says, I say, Jacob was a religion. No one can say me religion now, Matiano. A ma qua, Omotomano, Antitahonum, a man also such as any autofista. And na a chile the religion and me Jacob was a boa mediaba. Me say, and no na a chima, yeah, a sum sasum, a bend and coupon. It be quite a motor. Na a man and a man or motomania adigua, yes, a religion. Mamma, yes, Sonia Mabiso.
Okay.
Dama lawyers in it, yeah. Obama, Yamabia, Ayabasa. There's a place. There's a freedom of religion. It should manifest at a place. What's only them? So your mosque. And then Ufi Anna Ayano, and then you buy another thing, Kwame. Now, people say, a case of freedom of religion. Adiaka was here, it is a me papano. Mewo Akolana, it's a Akolana citizen. Constitution is say of freedom of religion. It is a mebani no osem acquire me faso sum yami. And that's a mesum Muslimino na enyanefe. That's your face or bakwa sum traditional year. And you question because a me parent need to me pamono. That is freedom of religion. And so Sanya man and protect your citizen. And when you free and some small pay, and the parents yourself, the Drew say there is your money. It is Sana Madriami. Papa, Kwame, above all mine.
Medasi no pray.
Best me that say, anybody.
Amen. Yara Jacob or say your boy joy. And I don't know I train common.
Okay, FM 101.7.